Okay, this is the Chinese 6090 CNC, and with an 80 millimeter spindle. Of course, I have a skull up there to tell me what's the rotation of the Z-axis. So currently, I have a 3D printed 80 millimeter laser pointer holder on the 80 millimeter spindle, and the goal with the crosshair, and the goal is to target this little wood knot, very, very tiny wood knot with the tip of this bit. Of course, I've got an 80 millimeter halo in there to kind of illuminate the area. So I wrote a script in MACH4 to do this. It took me a long time because it just wasn't quite acting correctly until I got it right. So my goal is to target that, and I'll move the laser over that knot. I'm just moving to the X and move the Y to get as close as I can of the target. Probably needs to come over to the right. Alright, there we go. Now once that's set, I've got a button over here that says move, or in this case crosshair. I select the crosshair. The gantry moves, then it moves down the X direction. And I'm going to move it down some more. Speed this up a little bit. That is pretty much dead on.